y'all, Cookin Savvy here. Let's talk quick and easy summertime meals for a minute. Summer is here, and so are all the activities that summertime can bring. And that can make what's for supper a little harder. But good thing I've got a recipe that will make what could be hard super easy. This shrimp spaghetti recipe will soon be your go-to meal. Cook spaghetti according to the package instructions. Then in a skillet over medium heat, add butter, avocado oil, and shrimp. Mix in garlic powder and paprika. Remove the shrimp from the heat after they begin to turn pink and set them aside. Now you're going to add chicken broth, Parmesan cheese, heavy cream, garlic powder, onion powder, and spinach to the skillet and mix it well. Now add the shrimp back to the skillet to finish cooking. Mix in the noodles and serve with bread. Now that's what I call a savvy, simple summertime solution. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And until next time, I'll be doing my best at Cookin Savvy.